Naira Marley has come out to say that Mohbad's manager is not his brother and that he's high and he must apologize for the news that he allegedly beat up the singer with his voice.
Oh, him and his manager is having an argument. His manager is not my brother. I don't know what he's saying. He's obviously probably high. But when he gets in the right state of mind, he's going to explain himself and apologize as usual. And whatever, he changed his manager, which is very fine with him and me. Then he came. He doesn't stay here, you know. He's basically moved out for some reasons, for his right state of mind. Then he came here. He saw me in the studio. He came with like 4 people. No, 3. There was 3 of them. All together with him, 4. He said yo to me, yo. He sat down. C Black was in the studio. A lot of people was in the studio. The other 2 people was with in the studio did not even say anything to me. He just came to fight his manager. But bear in mind, yeah, Mohbad is not a type of person that fights. He doesn't fight, bro. I can promise you guys. Mohbad has never had a fight in his whole life.